Hello, this is Bryce. This is a quick video, 4 days left for the Camarillo High School rocket project. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the progress we made and what everything kind of looks like and how it pans out for the rest of this week. Basically, the big thing for us here is finishing, which, as in the outside of the rocket. It may be hard to see in this video. I apologize, I'm using my iPhone now instead of my MacBook. But hopefully you can see we put on our 2 layers. It's not smooth yet. I have to still do 600 grit over it again to make sure it all lays down flat. We had a little bit of runs and spots, but other than that, we should be looking pretty good. We put on decals tomorrow after I sand. The decals are from Mark Hayes at StickerShock23.com. He does a really amazing job, and came to us really fast, which was what we needed for this project, so thank you again. But I have them just taped on, getting them kind of a general layout. We have our school team logo here, and then Scorpion 1, the name of the rocket, and lots of people to thank. You can't read it, but once we get them on tomorrow, hopefully I'll post a video of how everything looks. This is our payload tube, kind of taped on. We have a lot of the vendors and names of people there. Too, and I will post again more later. That tube turned out really nice and really smooth. I'm only going to have to hardly sand that one. Next is the nose cone. The nose cone again looks amazing. We JB welded the tip on because we had problems with it coming off, and we want to make sure that it's centered right on there. Really nice. So that's on there. Basically, the way this is going to work, hopefully, is we have a rod, a quarter 20 rod that goes all the way to the tip, and it's just screwed in. It's all thread, and that's going to go to our bulkhead, which looks like this. So again, aluminum stepped bulkhead with a JB welded nut on the back, and the nut screws right in to the back, and once we screw it on tight, it'll seal off the nose cone. That's where our Garmin Astro GPS is going to be, and it's going to be mounted onto a little G10 board that I have left over from some fins. I already showed you guys yesterday, or 2 days ago I guess, the main bulkhead. The hole in the middle is for the 3/8 16 all thread that goes from the forward closure of the Cicerone hardware and goes all the way through here and kind of sandwiches the whole fin can together. It makes it really tight. The hole on the outside is for the CD3 CO2 cartridge, and so that's going to go there. And so that's about that. Basically, tomorrow, like I said, I'm putting on decals. I'm mounting more of the electronics. I don't have it here to show you, but I mounted, like I hope to, the Stratologger with a 9-volt battery, and tomorrow hopefully I'll find some nuts small enough to get that Raven on there. Since it didn't come with its own mounting hardware, unfortunately. But that's no big deal. Hopefully I can find some small screws to get that on. Everything I have is way too big. That's our progress right now. So hopefully we'll be ready to fly. Still looks really good for our flight Saturday. And I'll post more pictures and videos when we get them. Thanks. Bye.